Okay, we're going to the visitor center. We're on the way there to the front desk.
I'm not sure what your question is about backpack. So if you could rephrase the question, I'd appreciate it.
We just came from the Kapalaoa Cabin, and I'd like a refund.
Oh, that's through the library, if I'm not mistaken. That's through Kapalaoa
Can you
Library.
imagine?
You can rent out you can borrow a
It's smiling
backpack,
like you know what it might be.
and there's some things in the backpack.
I've heard a few things, but I'll take a statement.
But yeah, there's no guided hike.
I don't know if I can do it because the reservations are made through recreation.gov. But I'll definitely take a statement from you and speak to a few people. Yeah.
I asked about the provisions there, and I was told things were okay.
Yeah.
And she
You
made
can do it up
something
there.
about it not being guaranteed.
There's a visitor center up there that opens before
There was
sunrise.
no propane.
Yeah.
And I'm not certain, but I think you have 3 tanks there.
Okay,
All
thank you.
empty.
Goodbye.
Okay, asked about provision.
And frankly, we rely on that propane because we had a group of people in there.
Yeah.
And half of them didn't eat because we couldn't get the fire started. The logs are damp, and if we had known, just simply known, we would have said, okay, we're fine, we'll still go in, but could you get us some fire started? Because you know what it's like to start those logs. Nearly impossible. And why? To this day, no one's put something in there that can help people start those logs. It's like a joke.
If you want.
I tried that. I don't know who you're.
No, you can put
I haven't even talked to your new superintendent. She's been here so long, and changes haven't occurred. And why she's here and not someone that's been here 15 years that knows the place like yourself. This is disturbing to me. Has she been on the trails? I wonder.
Yeah, she has.
Does she know the signage is all screwed up down there? And I'm speaking from 30 years of going down there and taking hundreds of people in there, just as a person who lives here and taking people down and staying in all the cabins at least 10, 12, 15 times in each of them and spending a lot of time in the crater. And to know that this is our national park and we're paying for this, I don't like this because it kind of spoiled our trip.
Did she respond to you in the last one?
No, the last one was, the response was, our system's been down for 30 days.
Oh, no.
The commanding officer to shift the system down,
It's when
they get
my
fired.
letter's one isn't working. Like when you
I mean, it's
feel it.
frustrating.
By the way, I actually saw one of those birds today.
Good eyes.
Before, I just saw one hopping around the road.
You asked about provision and told that it would be alright.
About water, and then I think I was told about
You don't need the scanner.
the logs and the propane.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Basically, what I'd like to know also, the people that are maybe headed down or there now, do they know there's no propane?
Well, our mule, the guy that goes and delivers the propane case went down today, and I did let them know that I got a report recently that there was no propane at Kapalaoa.
You got a report recently? Can you
Today.
tell me
I
today?
got one today. From a volunteer group.
Mhm.
So
But you
What
didn't
I
know
do is I
before we
pass
went in,
it
I mean,
on.
not you, but,
no, I wasn't there.
yeah, okay. Well, I'm not saying, but I mean, somebody here might have known that there was none and could have told us.
Not necessarily.
Okay,
Not necessarily. They may not have known.
Just like that.
I don't know where to go.
right there. See? Kapalaoa, 5.8 miles. It's very easy.
We got room in our bag. You guys want?
You got my
new shoes on. Thanks for that. Appreciate it.
Oh, nice. Hold this, please.
Go! Show us like it looks like.
Yeah.
Shit. Now it looks for
You want a sole?
No, thank you.
for diving
No one will
shoes.
call you a Holua if you have this.
I have an idea. Put the feet in this bag and just tie it up.
Oh, yeah,
Just go
good
barefoot.
idea. No. Just walk on this. Oh, no, this is gonna break.
You know what, John? Is the rocks here that sharp? I mean,
Yeah. I went hiking with a new pair of shoes, but by the time I'm done, it's $2.
you know, it's funny because, like, you know, I had an okay pair of hiking shoes, and my dad was like, no. Take my shoes. It's the crater.
You bring him like 3 pieces, yeah?
So I'd be like, you know what, man? These did great. Thank you. I appreciate the help. Oh, man.
Shit, now it looks like a diving shoes, yeah? For
Oh, man.
fins. Jeez, man.
You're right. It's like diving shoes. It's the glue is too old.
Damn,
If
we
you
don't
need some
have
scissors, here you go.
nothing like tape.
I usually roll with electrical tape in my backpack, but I took it out because I had to do other repairs on my moped.
So. Sucks.
Yes.
What about the other one?
Don't play with that.
Yeah. Don't play with it.
Look, Navy SEALs made you new shoe. Okay.
Thank you.
About to move on.
How long are we got?
2 miles. Yes. Left 4. Hey! Woo! Nothing.
Hike in the crater, guys, or focus on Duke's shoes all day.
Okay, now, you know,
I think
I'm
it's
gonna walk,
good.
Yeah, that looks and feels a lot
go
better.
easy
already.
with it.
I was trying to go easy
Not
before.
favor it, but
It
you're
was
gonna
not
have
like a flip flops. And put the gloves on it. Put the gloves on the shoe. Who has the gloves? Who has the gloves? Let's put the gloves.
Put it in my bag. My
Where?
sunglass pouch.
It's right here.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Probably ahead of you guys.
Alright. Slowly go ahead.
Is it in the bag?
Yes. Just Kapalaoa, Haleakalā, Holua. Trail, Holua. Yeah, almost here. Kapalaoa Cabin. 2 miles. Kapalaoa Cabin. 2 miles.
22 miles.
22.
DMZ are actually brothers and sister chemicals. The big difference between DMZ and
Not really,
Not really?
but I'll be.
Tired.
Very.
When we do this, Joe, when we do one night, it's crazy.
It would have been better.
Yeah.
What time we have to leave?
You can leave any time, there's nothing pressing, really.
Good. Okay, doors, windows closed.
Good. Windows all locked up.
Okay, good luck.
Holua Cabin. I like your sling. And then we could meet up at Holua Cabin. If for some reason you veer off, but don't take any unmarked trails.
Okay, guys, take it easy.